Hello, welcome back to our course and to our lecture. In this lecture I will show you a tool of BeFunky that will help you create different types of images for different purposes. For example, you can create images for event covers, you can create also business cards, you can create images for your social media accounts, you can create practically email headers and so on. You can create various types of images with different shapes, forms, and you can use different templates that BeFunky offers to you to create amazing images that are already proven to have a very good impact because of the templates. So when you are already in the photo editor or in the collage section, you just go on the small icon with BeFunky, you press on it, you select the designer mode, and this is it. We are already in the designer mode. Okay, here in the left part you have the menu and you have the templates first, then you have the project manager, the image manager, the background, design elements, and text. For example, we can start with the templates. If you go to the templates, another window with the menu will open for you. It's like a drop down menu, but it's sideways, and you have, for example, event graphics. You can create invitations, you can create menus. If you have a restaurant or something like that, you can create thank you cards. Then you have the small businesses where you find business cards, letterhead, and other type of images, blogger resources, okay, infographics. For example, you can create stunning infographics. Obviously, if you didn't know already, infographics have a huge impact for your audience. A lot of successful bloggers and a lot of companies are using infographics to send a powerful message, a strong statistics in their marketplace. And obviously infographics are very oftenly shared with other people and have a tendency to go viral. So it can be a good idea, but that it depends on your business to use infographics. Why? Because you can generate virality. Obviously, it would be an even better idea for you to create an infographic that wasn't already made in your marketplace, okay, or a statistic for a certain part of your marketplace that wasn't already researched or has or doesn't have already an infographic similar with yours. So it would be a very good idea to come with something new, and your chances to get that thing viral, that infographic viral, and get massive exposure for your business, even by using social media, it's absolutely huge. It can have a great impact overall into your business. So I strongly recommend you use infographic and also share them on social media, because they can have a great impact. And then we have the special social media images inside the designer mode here on BeFunky. Okay, we have the social media headers for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Etsy, and YouTube, and the social media graphics also for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or Pinterest. Also, we have different blank templates for event graphics, social media, and blog resources. For example, if we go to the social media headers and we select the Facebook section, we can select like a very nice cover photo. For example, maybe if you have like a pastry shop or something like that, you can choose this one, this cover photo, which is with macaroons, okay, but this is just an example. You can select this template and after that you can edit it, of course. Okay, we have here on practically an overall we have an integrated image. Okay, this is an already created image, but you can select every single part of this image. For example, here we have like a graphic. You can edit this graphic, okay. You can rotate it, you can make it smaller. Here we have text, okay, you can choose to edit this text. We also have smaller images here. And now, for example, we can add different stuff to this template. We can go to the project manager, okay, or to the image manager. Let's see the design elements. We go to the design elements, and here we can choose different things, okay, and different elements that we can integrate in our images. For example, we can choose different types of lines, okay. We can select something like this, okay. We can for example go and select a ribbon, maybe if we are the ribbon type, okay, or if it suits to our business. We can select different types of shapes, exactly like we see here, okay. And we have even badges. Badges are very good for ads. For example, if you create a Facebook ad, maybe you want to promote a special offer with a discount, you can write that discount inside of a badge, maybe a red badge, to get your viewers attention, okay, or something like that. That's an example. We have frames, okay. We can create, I don't know, we have elements for infographics, for weddings, okay. We have a ton of different elements for social media, for example, okay. Also we have illustrations of various kinds that we can use. So you have a lot of cool elements that you can integrate. And the last part is to add different types of texts to your cover photo, like this one. Then you can edit it, okay. You can add different effects like font size, okay, font family, spacing, alignment, overlay, opacity, and other very cool effects and features that you have. So overall, it's a very simple to use and very efficient tool, because you already have these templates that you can work on and create your very own professional cover photo images, for example. So that, with that being said, the design section of BeFunky, it's also like the previous two other options, the collage maker and the photo editor. It's a very powerful tool that you can use to create stunning images for your social media accounts, and I hope it will be very helpful for you in the future and for your business. Now, thank you guys again for your attention. I won't underline it again. You know already that you are awesome. Thank you for your attention. I send you my best wishes, and I will see you guys in our next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our first lecture where we actually talk about a tool that you can use for yourself to enhance and create your images, your own images for social media use. It's called Social Media Image Maker. It's an online tool. You can use it whenever you want, from wherever you want, and you can create stunning images and with the right sizes that you can use, for example, for your profile image on Facebook, okay, or LinkedIn or Twitter, to create your cover photo on Facebook, okay, or to create different types of posts also for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or whatever type of social media you are using. This is the main page of the app. As you can see, you can find the app here at this link that you see here in my browser, okay, outreplanet.com/app. Social media image maker. So just write this down, okay, or copy it into your browser, and you will have access to this tool immediately. You don't have to create any type of account. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry that anybody will have your email address and send you all the time different promotions, okay. This is a free tool that you can use exactly as I've told you before, from wherever you want, whenever you want. So let's start to see exactly how you can use this tool. It's actually very simple. You can see that here in the left side of the screen you have a menu, okay, for every social media platform that you can use this tool for. For example, you have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, Flickr, Vimeo. You have a lot of social media platforms here. Most probably you will use it for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Maybe some of you guys are using Tumblr, also Pinterest and YouTube, but most of the people are using it for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, exactly as I've told you before. So, for example, you select Facebook. Okay, this is the first one, and you have here different types of templates that you can use the platform for. You have cover image, okay, to create your cover photo. You have profile image. You have normal posts. You have highlighted posts, okay. Event, if you create events on Facebook, for example, maybe you have a business, you have a restaurant or club or pub or something like that, okay, and you are creating events all the time. It's very important to have an attractive image for your event that you have created, okay. Application images, maybe you are creating different types of apps on your page. Also, you need a very good image. So for example, let's choose the profile image so you guys can see exactly how this app works. You just press the button create here, okay, and the editor will load. Now the first thing that you will do is to add your file, okay, and I will show you an example, Okay, I will choose a photo. For example, let us choose this photo. Okay, this image can be used for, it's a very good image that can be used for a profile image, but it doesn't have the right size. Okay, and also we can make some enhancements to it. So for example, this is the right size, okay, for a Facebook profile image. We click the button apply. Okay, then we can add some different effects from here, from this upper menu. Okay, for example, we can add this effect, we can add Wild Wild West. Okay, Mr. Spock. This one looks really nice, Woodstock. So we have different effects. This image this photo was already a professional photo, so it doesn't need enhancements. But if you want different types of effects, for example, this one can be a very good type of effects. Okay, 80s, it looks very nice. After that, you have, okay, you press the button OK, you have other enhancements that you can make. For example, sharpen the photo, okay, blur the photo, you can add more noise, okay, to the photo, desaturate the photo. You can focus the photo. For example, this is a very good effect that a lot of people add, focus line. It gives it a professional look if you just focus on the subject in a profile image. For example, we can select the focus line, and these kinds of give it an even more professional look. In my opinion, if you have seen videos or different types of professional photos, the ones that give you the most credibility and trust and also professional look, okay, have this separation between the subject, the main subject, and the rest of the background. Okay, the background most of the times it's blurred, okay, and it gives you a more professional look. Now we just go to see if we can make any other enhancements. Okay, you can choose the name of the photo, okay, for example, and you can choose the type of the photo, if you want it to be a PNG or an or the standard one, okay, the JPEG, okay, standard. And after that, you just download the image. Okay, thank you for waiting while downloading your file. You will see your file is downloaded here. You just press on show in folder and you will have access to it instantly. Obviously, when you download it, you can instantly share it, and this is a very cool function on Facebook, Twitter, or wherever you wanted to use it for, okay, for whatever platform you wanted to use it for. So now we press cancel, and that's it. That's how simple it is to use social media image maker. So you can practically resize and enhance your images for your profiles, covers, and posts in just a couple of seconds or minutes. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful for you guys. I hope that you will find this tool very useful, because you can actually create very fast, very good images for your social media accounts. Thank you again for your attention. You know already you are awesome, and I will see you in our next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here.